Hi, and welcome to the Briofita Nursery. Today I am talking about attaching moss to rock and how to do so. I've chosen an aquatic moss. This is phonics moss, and I'm going to be attaching it to tufa rock. Now, the reason why I'm using tufa rock and the reason why tufa rock is extremely good for attaching moss to is because of the tiny little holes. It's got microscopic tiny little holes all the way through it. It also has quite big holes and medium-sized holes, but the reason why it's good is because the moss will easily attach its rhizomes to the rock, as you can see. And we sell the tufa rock on a little Etsy shop as well. This is a large rock. It's probably about 250 grams. These are smaller ones, medium-sized ones. So there's a range of different sizes and thicknesses and shapes that you can get from a little Etsy shop as well. So this is phonics moss. It's an amazingly beautiful aquatic, fully submerged moss. It grows in full shade. And attaches beautifully to woodcuts, rock, and you can also grow it in like sandy substrates as well. So when you order this from our little Etsy shop, it will arrive dehydrated in a little dehydrated carpet like this. The reason why we dehydrate it is because moss, when it is not dehydrated, can be terribly affected by change of temperature. For instance, if it goes up in an airplane, or even like changing temperature from summer to winter or winter to summer, depending on where it's going in the world. It can cause mold. It can just basically start to degrade rapidly. But when it's dehydrated, it stays beautifully fresh. As soon as it's rehydrated, it'll just pop back up and be beautiful again. So you can easily attach one of our carpets to tufa rock. You can use like this is a I think polystyrene thread, which also has like a waxy coat. So you can use something like this, just basically tie it onto the rock in a few places. You can also use elastic bands. So you can use one or many elastic bands. It would take about 3 weeks for the moss to really start spreading new growth and putting its rhizomes into the rock. Once you feel that the moss has fully attached, then you can just go in with a pair of scissors or take out the rock and cut the little elastic band or the little thread off, and then just put it back and it'll be fully attached to the rock. So it's very, very easy to do. So I'm just gonna attach this. I'm gonna use elastic bands because it's super simple. And then I'm going to show you the next step of when I put it into the aquarium, and over time, when I take off the elastic band, and I can show you exactly everything. Okay.